Welcome to Tiny Science Tutorials. Today, we embark on a cosmic journey to explore the enchanting world of comets, cosmic snowballs. Join us as we unlock the secrets of these celestial wanderers that have fascinated and bewitched humanity for centuries. Comets, like ethereal snowballs from the far reaches of space, dazzle us with their radiant tails and mysterious appearances. But what are these cosmic travelers made of? Comets are a blend of ice, dust, and organic compounds, remnants of the ancient building blocks of our solar system. As they journey through the cosmos, comets heat up and release gas and dust, creating the awe-inspiring tails that adorn our night skies. Throughout history, comets have graced our heavens, with one of the most famous being Halley's Comet, returning like a cosmic clockwork. Beyond their celestial beauty, comets have been a source of scientific curiosity. Space missions have flown by, orbited, and even landed on these icy wonders, unlocking the secrets of our solar system's origins. Studying comets provides a precious glimpse into the past, offering essential clues about the early formation of our sun and planets. From sparking awe in ancient civilizations to fueling the fires of scientific exploration, comets have left a mark on human history and our understanding of the cosmos. As we conclude this one-minute journey through comets, cosmic snowballs, we invite you to gaze up at the night sky, pondering the celestial dance of these enchanting visitors from afar. Like and subscribe to our channel for more captivating science episodes. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our universe, and remember, every comet carries a tale of our cosmic heritage.